High above the stadium, something important is quietly taking shape. Not with noise or celebration, but with precision, coordination, and constant attention. At this height, every movement matters. Every detail is checked. And every decision plays a role in what this stadium will soon become. Today, we take a closer look at how the stadium continues to take shape. One of the most striking areas remains the ceramic lamella facade. Large quantities of ceramic fins are already stored and actively being installed. Today, additional horizontal sections have been completed, expanding the finished area. The black painted background wall behind the lamellas enhances depth and contrast, significantly improving the visual impact. Installation rhythm is now faster and more confident, showing clear mastery of the process. The first two structural base pieces of the compression ring are now in place. These elements are essential, as they will carry the full load of the future compression ring above. That is why no super pillars have been concreted at the very top yet. These bases must first be securely anchored to the reinforcement at the upper section of each super pillar, creating a single solid structural system. Because this phase is so critical, every detail is being carefully checked, especially these first pieces. If we look closely, the reinforcement steel is already in place. Workers are actively handling formwork panels, preparing everything for the next stage. This suggests that the reinforcement has already passed inspection and received approval. Once the concrete pumps arrive, this area will mark a major turning point in the project. That day will signal the true beginning of the compression ring structure. We now move our attention to the third tier, focusing on the north goal area. Here, most of the access tunnel walls have already been installed, especially along the curve connecting the lateral side with the north section. The construction sequence is clear. First the tunnel walls, then the remaining structural elements. Only the opposite side remains pending in some central sections. This area continues to show steady and well-organized progress. Shifting focus to the VIP ring, work continues on the glass facade profiles. While progress here may appear slower, it remains an essential part of the stadium's final identity. Materials are staged, workers are active, and structural preparations continue quietly but consistently. Nothing here is rushed. Precision is the priority. In the south goal area, movement from the tower crane confirms ongoing installation of prefabricated seating elements. Visibility may not be perfect, but the activity clearly indicates that seating placement is advancing. This shows that work is not only happening at the top levels, but also throughout the interior structure. At ground level, work continues around service shafts and former parking areas. Some zones are being cleared, others leveled, and formwork panels remain staged for upcoming pours. Although less visible, this groundwork is essential for long-term structural stability. Inside the stadium, painting work continues. Walls are being finished section by section, gradually transforming raw concrete into completed interior spaces. Every painted surface brings the stadium closer to its final appearance. From the compression ring to the third tier, from seating installation to facade work, progress is happening on all fronts. The stadium no longer feels like a distant future project. It feels alive, active, and constantly evolving. This concludes today's update from the stadium. If you're enjoying these detailed construction updates, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss what comes next. More progress is coming very soon.